How do I populate my memory palace? Have you ever wondered how to make your memory work like a well-organized library? Let's talk about how to populate your memory palace, a technique that can transform your study sessions. First, pick a location you know well. This could be your home, a favorite park, or even a familiar route you walk often. Each spot in this location is called a locus, and it will serve as a place to store the information you want to remember. Now, take the information you need to memorize and turn it into vivid mental images. The more unusual or striking these images are, the better. For example, if you want to remember a banana, instead of just picturing a plain banana, imagine a giant banana wearing sunglasses and dancing in your living room. This quirky image will stick in your mind much better. Next, connect these images to their loci. Imagine the giant banana doing a dance at your front door. This interaction between the image and the location makes it easier to recall later. If you can, use multiple images at each locus. For instance, you could have the dancing banana and a singing apple at your front door, creating a fun scene that strengthens your memory. Organizing your memory palace is key. Create a logical path through your loci. This way, when you mentally walk through your palace, you can easily recall the information in order. If you have a lot of information to remember, consider building several themed memory palaces. Each one can focus on a different subject, making it easier to keep everything organized. Practice is essential. Regularly walk through your memory palace in your mind, recalling the images and the information they representing. This active recall helps move the information from short-term to long-term memory. You might want to set aside a few minutes each day to practice this technique. In summary, to populate your memory palace, choose a familiar location, create vivid images, connect them to specific loci, use multiple images per locus, organize them logically, and practice recalling them regularly. This method not only helps with memory but also improves your focus and concentration during study sessions. By using the method of loci, you can make studying more effective and enjoyable.